Welcome to IP Service, Learn IT tips and troubleshooting. Today I am showing how to clear Google Chrome browsing data on exit. So, watching full video, let's start. First of all, we are going to right side of the browser, three dot button or hamburger button. Then scroll down, go to settings. Then left side settings, the privacy and security. Then scroll down, site settings. That is scroll down, additional content settings. Again scroll down. We are going to one device side data. The default behavior option, we are select middle of the option, delete data sites have saved to your device when you close all Windows sites. Check mark this option. That's okay for then close. Thank you for watching. Keep watching IP Service for